Hey everybody, welcome back to Everything's a Project. I really want to show off this saw, how good it works. I'm doing 7.5 inch long, 1 inch by 2 inch solid steel. This is the FMB Phoenix. It's a 440 motor. I have it full speed on the motor and full feed. It uses a hydraulic feed. And zoom in for you guys. Again, it's 1 inch by 2 inch solid steel. I have it on end because it's a 10 by 14 or a 10 14 variable tooth blade. So that's good for narrower widths. If I had laid it on the lengthwise or the wider side, better tooth count would be appropriate. So we're about a third of the way through already. This blows any other saw out of the water, except for this one still doesn't swivel. But it's been awesome for square cuts. And it cuts straight. I did some 5 inch aluminum. And it took less than 20 thou to clean up the face on the lathe. See how quick that cut. So it's going to be about 2.5 minutes to make that cut. Done. Okay, so that's just a quickie.